I'm going to be showing you how to put Reddit on dark mode. So to make the Reddit website black or in dark mode, you need to enable Reddit's dark theme. So what you need to do is go to your Reddit app first, just be on your app library and search for Reddit. As you can see, it's right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it. And once you've done so, what you need to do is look at the top right where you can see your avatar or your profile. Once you tap here, you just need to scroll all the way down till you find settings right there. So after you tap here, you just need to scroll down till you find dark mode. So as you can see, dark mode is right there. You can either choose automatic. If your iOS setting is in dark mode, then it'll automatically follow that. But if you want to manually set it up in dark mode, then make sure that this button is toggled on this way. And as you can see, you have successfully put Reddit on dark mode. You also have the option of a dark theme here. You can also try to do that. If you can turn this off and use this, so it's completely up to you. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.